This is how to make money with Clickworker. I've been working with Clickworker for a long while with proof of earnings. Clickworker is all about making money in euro. You can see what this platform has paid me on a different occasions, and you can see I currently have €5 that I will soon withdraw. What do you need to do on this platform, and who can make money with Clickworker? Clickworker jobs involve AI training tasks such as data entry, mobile apps testing, photo capturing, recording video and audio of yourself, doing surveys, searching internet. Clickworker will pay you for using your phone, like taking pictures of yourself, your environment, your house, recording your videos of objects and places you visit. This is how you can make money with Clickworker. My name is John. The objective of this YouTube channel is to review websites and apps that accept and that will pay Nigerians. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. You will get to know as soon as I publish my videos every week. Another thing you need to do is this. Try to watch this video to the end. You get to discover 23 websites and apps that makes me money every time from home in Nigeria. How do you use Clickworker to your advantage so that you can make money in euro and get paid to your account in your country? Let me show you. This is Clickworker. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. You will land on this page and you can see you can make money from anywhere in the world, irrespective of your country. There are a lot of jobs on this platform, jobs that you can do with your phone very fast. You'll be able to take surveys, record your voice, take photos of your surroundings, and you get paid for them. And the good thing is that you have different payment methods that is available right now. I've done videos of my cash out on multiple occasions about this website, so you can be rest assured that you get paid when you do the work. You get your money every 7 days, weekly, with this platform. These are onboarding jobs. They are training jobs that you do that will help you to know step by step of what to do and how to do the job that will be acceptable to the platform. For you to take advantage and make a lot of money on this platform, the first thing you need to know is that you have to learn, and they will pay you for doing the learning. Look at it. Welcome to Clickworker. Get informed and earn your first cent. So by the time you go through this training, you get informed, you click this, they will pay you this amount. All this learning will lead to you getting jobs. I'm talking about jobs that you can do within 1 minute, 2 minutes with your phone. This one is tutorial how to do a photo capturing jobs. By the time they ask you to snap something with your phone, they will teach you how to do it, that they will be able to accept the job from you. So this is to put you through how to take pictures of your surrounding that is acceptable to them. When you take this training, you get paid. This is another tutorial how to do a video creation job. This one will teach you how to record videos using your phone and you'll be rewarded. This is another tutorial how to do a voice recording jobs. You take this training too and it will lead to more jobs. This is how to take surveys. This is how to do a categorization jobs. These are trainings that can help on other websites when you are doing UHRS jobs. This is a job now. Bonus. Ask your parents or grandparents that's 70 years plus to help train an authentication. So this is another job that relates to how to capture ID for authentication purpose. This is the amount that you get paid. These are jobs you can easily do very fast. This one will require you to take 3 short videos, and after validation you get paid €1.5. This is another video jobs. This is app testing job. This is another job. You'll be able to take pictures and overall you get paid €3. This is another job. Show us your baby and child. All you need to do is to take a picture of your baby and you earn €2 per job, and you can take as many jobs. Look at it. In this category they have over 2,000 jobs. In this category there are about 65 jobs taking pictures. This is another job. All you need to do is to upload 3 short videos and you get paid €1.5 after validations. These are third-party jobs. If you click this one now, it will take you to another platform. You'll be able to work on another website, and by the time you click start, it will take you to their platform where you'll be able to have surveys available. All you need to do is to make sure that you are honest and never use VPN, and your surveys will be okay. It is all about honesty. Fill in your details correctly. The same thing with BitLab. It's all about surveys and it will take you to their website. Don't forget to be honest and you're going to get a good job with surveys. And you have to be patient too to get a surveys that matches your detail. This particular one is Clickworker UHRS jobs. This is where you make a lot of money if you know how to do UHRS jobs. For you to learn more, you can just go through this UHRS guide. I've done a lot of videos about UHRS jobs. I've done series of UHRS jobs, including Clickworker UHRS jobs. You can come to Ask JOFA playlist. You see the link of the playlist will come out here. You can watch it later. All you just need to do is to click it. These are different videos I've done about UHRS jobs and different platforms that offer UHRS. This is a video, very important video. UHRS tips and tricks and secret for success. It will earn you a lot of money if you know what to do. For you to make more money on Clickworker, you come to the menu. This one is assessment. You visit the assessment menu occasionally. You'll be able to see different trainings that will help you to gain access to jobs. Let me show you. You have access to available assessment that you can do that will give you more jobs on this platform. This training will qualify me for special project on UHRS. You'll be able to gain access to different trainings that is available that will earn you more money. This one will help you to invite your friends and family members. This is one way to make good money on this platform. Clickworker will pay you €5 as soon as the person that you invite to the platform made and cash out €10 from the platform. So all you need to do is to access your link and see this is your link here. Look at it, referral link. You copy it here. You can see recommend a Clickworker to a friend and earn €5. So all you need to do is to recommend your friends and family members and start making money on this platform. A link of a video will come out here. You see how I promote my links online and how to make money sharing and posting links on different social media platforms. I showcase step by step of how to use ChatGPT to promote your link effectively. The next important thing that you need to do is to complete your profile page. Completing your profile page will help you to state your language, your skills, and your hobbies. These are informations that will help you showcase your skills, and it's going to dictate what and the kind of jobs that will show up in your profile page in Clickworker. To ensure you fill in your profile page very well. Your settings is where you make sure you secure your sign-on so that hackers will not hijack it and collect your money after you've worked so hard. The next, which is the last one, most important thing that you need to do is for your payment details. For you to collect your money and input your payment details, you click payment details. I've done a video of how you add your payment details step by step. I've done that of how you add Payoneer. The link of the video will come out here. You see how to add Payoneer to your Clickworker step by step. Ensure you use my Payoneer link, which is below the description of this video, because Payoneer will give you $25 as soon as you use the platform for a total transaction volume of over $1,000. It may be difficult, but it's possible. But currently, I no longer use Payoneer. I use Clickworker eWallet to see how I added and updated and changed my Clickworker payment method from Payoneer to the new Clickworker eWallet payment method. Watch this video. It will take you step by step of how to do that. But to do your own, you just scroll down, you see modify payment method, you click payment method. This platform will pay you every Wednesday, weekly, 7 days intervals. If you use Payoneer, your earnings must accrue to €20 to be able to cash out your money. First of all, set up your payment method. Then as soon as your money reaches €20 for Payoneer, you get paid instantly. This is my recommendation for you now. I recommend Clickworker eWallet payment method. Why? Look at it. The threshold is very lower and you get paid within 7 days too. You can easily get this amount on this platform. Why am I recommending Clickworker eWallet payment method? Why this payment method is better than Payoneer is that by the time you want to cash out under Clickworker eWallet payment method, you will have option to either cash out to your account directly in your country or cryptos. So you have options. Instead of taking your money to Payoneer to cash out, when you get to Payoneer, your money must be up to $50 to cash out. But coming here, you can cash out either through crypto or directly to your account as stated here. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. like this video. You'll be able to see my video. It will be very soon on how I cash out through Clickworker eWallet payment method. After filling the details, you just scroll down and save. You can now make money and work with Clickworker. All you need to do is to put your phone to use. It is important you know that it is less of desktop computer and more of using your phone with Clickworker. You see, when you are working online, you can do it full time and get paid in dollars, but you need to work with multiple apps and websites that will pay you. This is why I've collated 23 websites and apps that earn me money in dollars daily. You will see my proof of earnings and how I get paid through these websites and apps. Ensure you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.